Madali bang maging nanay? Hindi lang yung mga ka-age ko, but also the younger generations na makakatulong as they go through the journey. Hi! Welcome to this series of the different hats of life. Yan. Di ba? Di ba ang babae? We wear different hats no, in our life. And hats, mother, sister, daughter, friend, worker, and sometimes a little bit of everything. Di ba? Minsan parang sabay-sabay ginagawa natin yan. And in our journey in life, minsan hindi natin alam kung alin ang uunahin natin. This series is about celebrating those roles. So, and sharing stories and embracing the wisdom that comes for every role that we do or for every hat that we wear. Simulan natin sa pagiging nanay. Well, madaling maging nanay. Ano masasabi niyo dyan? Of course, 9 months you carry the baby in your tummy and then with all the adjustments. But you go through different struggles, experiences. Magmula sa paglilihi, panganganak. Well, depende kung paano, kung normal delivery or cesarean. And pagsimula sa pag-aalaga ng baby, especially dun sa mga panganay, hindi ganun kadali. And that's only one part of the adjustment sa motherhood. There are a lot of descriptions of a mother. Of course, number one, loving, patient, caring, forgiving, best friend, compassionate, etc. But you know, it's actually the way the children describe their mothers based on their experience. Mapapansin nyo yan kung paano kayo ngayon bilang nanay. Parang meron similarity on how the way you were brought up by your mother. And the Bible is a very nice description of what a mother should be. In Proverbs 31:25-26, it says, "She is clothed with strength and dignity. She can laugh at the days to come. She speaks with wisdom, and faithful instructions is on her tongue." 27, she watches over the affairs of her household and does not eat the bread of idleness. Her children arise and call her blessed, her husband also, and he praises her. Kaya tayo energetic. Sanay tayong mag-multitask because the Lord designed us that way. At mga anak, remember, look at this. We speak with wisdom and faithful instruction is on our tongue. Imagine, so kailangan nakikinig talaga kayo sa mga nanay nyo. Ay, pasensya na kung minsan paulit-ulit ang instruction ni mommy. It's a privilege to be a mother, di ba? Masarap maging nanay, and I know meron din kayo mga sariling kwento na inspiring. And I thank God for the gift of life na pina-experience niya sa atin when we became mothers. Well, ayan, umuulan na. Medyo maingay na dito. Oh. So that's about it. I hope na kahit paano meron magandang na-share si Mami Owen sa inyo. And I know na meron din kayong sariling mga kwento na nakaka-inspire, and I would appreciate if you can also share your same stories no, bilang nanay. And hanggang sa susunod, usapang hot! Usapang hot. Okay, bye!